Okay, what I have here is Honda Accord 2013 and up. I'm going to change the cabin filter, and to get to the cabin filter, which is inside the glove box or behind the glove box. So let's open the glove box. On these two sides, you push in like that. Don't push too much, just push enough so that way you can put the glove box down a little bit. And from there, there's this one part that you have to push down. And this is the one part that I'm talking about right here. All you do is just push it down. There you go. Once you push it down, let this go down easily. And there go your cabin filter. It's in there. Let me shine some lights in there. There you go. So your cabin filter is in there. There's a clip right here. All you do is push in. Push this clip in. The same here. Just push it in. And there you go, it dropped. Pull this out. That's your cabin air filter right there. You notice you have the airflow pointing down. The airflow right here is pointing down. And when you put the new cabin filter in there, you want to do the same thing, let it point down. So let's just remove this. Look how dirty it is. Ugh. Okay. So we're just gonna put the new one in, close it back. It's real easy, and just reverse order everything else. And that's it. Thank you for watching.